Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a black on black 1969 Camaro. It's got a big block, power steering, power brakes, and vintage air. It is done, and ready to roll. Got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
Good. Yeah, it's got a fresh 427 steel crank, aluminum heads, intake. It has the 750 double pumper. Carburator. It's got the ceramic coated
Headers,
roller rockers, new pressure plate and clutch. Has the factory 427 aluminum valve covers. Has a rebuilt Muncie fine spline transmission. Has a brand new Hurst shifter and linkage. New drive shaft that was made and installed for this car. It's hooked up to a rebuilt 12-bolt Posi rear, 373 ring and piston.
and this is all recently done too, right?
Yeah, all recently done. Everything. All the new floor pan was installed, new fenders, new trunk lid, new door. All sheet metal is good.
This paint
a lot of block sanding on this car to get it laser straight. That's a Tuxedo black with a lot of clear coat on it. It's got the.
And what was the paint on, Mike?
Paint was just done. It was done not even 6 to 8 months.
Wow.
Has vintage air in it. You got nice AC in it. The firewall was shaved. New wheels and tires. New exhaust system. Front end alignment. New gas tank sending unit. All new brake and fuel lines. New emblems. New core support. Sun visor. New skin seats. New carpet, dash, headliner, visors.
Wow.
Yeah.
So basically the whole car is new.
Yeah. New pre-assembled doors with door pulls, the pads, all new clutch linkage, all new suspension, rear leaf springs, front coils, all control arms have new bushings, all new tie rods, new close ratio power steering box was installed, new brake booster and master cylinder. And the underside of the car is just as clean as the top.
Yep. Looks fantastic.
About all I can remember.
This paint is incredible. Like you could reach your hand right into it. Beautiful. Mike, let's check out under the hood. Got the buckets, center console. You were seeing these door panels are all brand new. All LED lighting throughout.
Yeah, you want me to pop off the air cleaner for you?
No, that's not necessary.
You can see that nice red poly double pumper too.
It's got 6x9s in the back. Love the blue lights. Really set it off. Custom Alpine deck. It's loaded up. It's got Cirrus.
Yeah, satellite also.
Satellite. USB in, aux in. And looks like Bluetooth. This car is done. I like all the LED lighting you did.
Yeah, you also got the overhead LED light.
Can you fire it up?
Yeah, we could fire it up. You want to take a quick look at the car one there?
Yeah, check it out.
We'll just pop this off.
It's got MSD Ignition, power steering, power brakes.
Yeah, all
brand new headers. I mean, they don't even have any.
The oil gauge on.
You could still see the gasket is fresh on those headers.
Brand new carburetor.
Man, look at that. Brand new aluminum radiator. Brand new condenser. The firewall's all shaped and smooth. MSD distributor. MSD Wires. There's the vintage air unit. Brand new master cylinder. Oh, mama. Turn the air on. Air conditioning is brand new. You can hear the pump cycling now. There it goes. Yeah, I just heard it. Gotta have AC, man. Really nice.
Really good.
Yeah, that vintage air blows cold. Really nice. Really nice. See the condensation building up on this line here. Really nice. Give it a little gas, Mike. Sounds evil. Wow.
Wow.
Woo. It's so nice in an old car like this.
Yeah.
You know?
I had a Camaro when I was younger.
That sounds so nasty. And then the vintage air unit is right there. It just looks like stock.
Yeah, that was the purpose.
Really nice.
People looking like stock.
Really cool.
And the heat works great too.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Keep in mind we do financing and worldwide shipping. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.